This video will explore 14 of the most impressive AI tools that can automate tasks and boost your productivity. After testing over 120 different AI tools, I'm excited to share the top AI top picks. You'll find links to each tool in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So let's get started. AI tool number 1, Leia Pix, is a photo animation tool powered by AI that turns ordinary photos into moving 3D-like animations, breathing new life into static shots, allows you to alter angle, speed, and more for visually compelling results. AI tool number 2, DID, uses cool AI to turn regular photos into amazing moving videos. People like marketers and businesses can use a deep learning technology platform that allows users to create videos with talking avatars. Content creators from any industry can use their self-service studio and API to animate still images of faces to match any script with super fast 60 FPS rendering. AI tool number 3, Nvidia Omniverse Studio, is a suite of collaboration tools from Nvidia that facilitates real-time collaboration on 3D projects. Teams across the world can jointly work on designs, assets, and models together as if in the same room. AI tool number 4, Pimeyes. Pimeyes uses facial recognition AI to find where photos of you may be publicly posted online without your consent. While controversial, it empowers people to take control of their online privacy and identity. AI tool number 5, Versy. Versy is a first of its kind text-to-space AI that turns simple text prompts into fully customizable 3D virtual spaces. With Versy, anyone can easily design interactive metaverse-like experiences in minutes that brings imagination to life. AI tool number 6, Rizzle, uses AI to make professional business videos. All you need are some photos or short clips. Pick a style like vacation video or recap of my year. Then Rizzle's smart AI edits it all in an awesome video for you in minutes. The AI adds cool transitions, text, effects, and music automatically. AI tool number 7, Notion AI, is a note-taking app that has a special feature. In this app, it gives you better suggestions when you write notes. It can also help you to write faster, summarize information, do research, and come up with new ideas. This is really useful for people who use Notion to work or study. AI tool number 8, Copy.ai, uses artificial intelligence to help write advertisements, website text, and so much more. The AI can come up with catchy slogans, titles, and sales messages. Just tell Copy.ai about your product and target customer, and then AI will generate many ways to advertise or describe your product. It learns from lots of ads to make its suggestions. You pick the text you like best. AI tool number 9, Hour 1, uses artificial intelligence to make a fun training videos fast. Hour 1 smart AI turns your words into a video. The AI makes different character voices and graphics to keep it interesting. You can integrate Hour 1 with other tools too. The AI makes videos easy and engaging. And you can choose from a number of different languages with this AI application, and it will dub your videos in those particular languages. AI tool number 10, Rewind, is a special tool that can help you remember important things. It uses your laptop's microphone and webcam to record everything you see, say, or hear when browsing the internet or making important Zoom calls. This way, you can easily search for it later. For example, if you have an important Zoom call with a client and forget some details, Rewind can help you find them so you can take action of what your client has said to you previously. AI tool number 11. Speechify is an AI reading assistant that narrates text aloud to help those with reading difficulties or desiring hands-free reading. Users can follow along as content is read with customizable voices. It can also make you read faster by increasing the speed of how many words you can read in a minute. AI tool number 12, Beehiiv, uses AI to help make newsletters easily. The tool helps grow and sell your newsletters. It has a user-friendly and intuitive dashboard, built-in growth tools, newsletter templates with AI, and a website feature for your newsletter too. AI tool number 13, Wisdolia. This free browser extension can automatically generate personalized quizzes and flashcards for what you read online using AI. It helps retain information long-term. AI tool 14, Grain. For Zoom meetings, Grain's AI generates automated transcriptions, concise summaries, and highlights to help you quickly search and share key moments from the call previously. Now, I hope this overview got you excited about the possibilities of AI. Out of all these mind-blowing tools, which one are you most curious to try yourself? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more AI content. Tell me in the comments what AI topics you want me to cover as well. Thanks so much for sticking around with me to the end. You help this channel keep growing and improving. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.